Question 11. A marine protozoan is likely to have no contractile vacuole, mainly because the cytoplasm is A. Isotonic to seawater, B. Hypotonic to seawater, C. Hypertonic to seawater, D. Impervious to seawater. I want you to give it a try. Try to answer the question. Okay, now let's see what the correct answer is. The correct answer is A. Isotonic to seawater. The correct answer is A because contractile vacuoles help to get rid of excess water, and an isotonic solution is one in which both solutions have the same concentration. And if both solutions have the same concentration, there is no need for water to flow in or out of the cell, hence no need for the contractile vacuole. Question 12. Which of the following can cause shrinkage of living cells? A. Deionized water, B. Hypertonic solution, C. Hypotonic solution, and D. Isotonic solution. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's see what the correct answer says. The correct answer says B. Hypertonic solution. It is hypertonic solution because a hypertonic solution is a solution in which the concentration of the solution is higher than that of the cell. And according to osmosis, water is going to flow from the region of low concentration to a region of high concentration. And since the concentration of the cell is lower than that of the salt, meaning that since it's hypertonic, the water is going to flow from the cell into the solution, and that is going to cause the cells to shrink.